Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are in the best state of faith, your health as well as your success. In last video, I described your health fitness and disadvantages
None.
of health fitness. Now, today I am explaining how you fit your body, how you meet your healthy life and how to keep them fit. Staying fit is a great way to improve your mood and overall health. Many people struggle with staying fit over time, but the benefits of fitness definitely outweigh the cost. With some commitment and motivation, you can maintain your physical fitness for years to come. Guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Health&Care. Kindly subscribe my channel and also share my videos to your well-wisher, your lover, your relatives, and also comment us how you fit themselves and what is your routine to work out. Now I want to explain the steps of to keep you healthy. And first step is exercising. When start walking, jogging or cycling, no matter what your speed is, walking, jogging and cycling are a very important part of a health lifestyle as they are activates that keep your heart and lungs activate and your blood flowing. If you need to keep your knees stronger or have body aches and pains, the cycling may be a better solution. The first step of exercising is with a daily walking, jogging or cycling routine that fits your schedule. After a while, you can increase your distance, speed and the length of your workout. Another way is go out of your way to walk more. For example, if you go to the grocery store, try to park in the farthest spot from the entrance so you are forced to walk those extra steps to get there. Another way is walk or bike to work or school. If you live close enough to work or school, a good solution would be to start walking or cycling. Another way is if you jog, you should jog at least 1 kilometer. But it is very important to pace yourself. Guys, if you haven't more time to exercise in gym, you can exercise at home. Not everyone has the time or money to go to the gym and there is no need to. Workout at home is very easy and can be very beneficial. Some at home exercises includes like push-ups. Use your weight against the floor or walk to work on your upper body strength. Another way is sit-ups. Sit-up can be done by simply laying on the ground or with a more advanced technique with a chair or exercise ball. Another way is yoga. Yoga practices such as downward facing dog or sun salutations are easily done on the carpet ground or on a yoga mat. Guys, if you like the gym atmosphere and can't afford the membership, then the gym is a great place to stay fit. In gym, utilize the machine for cardio and weight. But the very important thing is be careful and never use a weight that is too heavy. Use smaller weights and you will find that you will progress through the weight very rapidly. Another very important thing is learn strength training and muscle toning technique from an instructor or a professional. Guys, if you are not a fan of the gym or practicing random exercise, then it is very simple to join a local sport team, may be a great solution to get outside. Move around and have some fun. Many cities have their own recreational sports team that meet and play on certain days. The most popular city sports are dodgeball, kickball, softball, basketball, pickleball and the ultimate frisbee. Frisbee is a very simple game that can be easily played by females, children, old age peoples. It is very easy game. In this simple game, your walking is done, your running is done, and also you can jog, and all joints movement is also done in this game. It is very easy and interesting game. Guys, today video I just explained the exercising. In tomorrow I will explain the maintaining a balanced diet and what kind of food you will eat, and that is very beneficial for you as well as your belly. and stomach. Keep watching our videos and stay with us. We will meet in next video tomorrow. Bye bye.